Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Okay, so first time in New York and we wanted a hotel that felt central but not chaotic. This is the Civilian Hotel. Let me show you around. We booked the cozy room and while it's definitely small, it's really well designed. There's smart underbed storage for luggage, everything felt clean and the space didn't feel cramped at all. For two people, it worked surprisingly well. The view from our room was honestly one of the best parts. The hotel has a Broadway-inspired vibe. There's art and there's design details that give it some personality. There's a water refill station on each floor and downstairs there's a lounge that works well during the day if you need a spot to work. At night, it turns into a cocktail bar. Pretty good atmosphere. They also have a rooftop bar. We didn't get a chance to check it out, but it's there if you're looking for that kind of spot. The location is also a big plus. You're just a few blocks from Times Square, but far enough away that you're not stuck in the noise and the crowds. Overall, Civilian Hotel is a solid choice if you're after a central, compact stay with a bit of style, especially if you're spending most of your time out in the city. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely yes. If you're visiting New York and want something compact, stylish, and practical, this one's worth checking out. Did you find this useful? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews. Until next time, happy travels!